In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Windpack for use, assuming you've never used it before. And we'll do that by going to the settings page. I've already added a lexicon to Windpack. You can choose whichever lexicon you want by highlighting it. You'll want to set the letter order of the tiles that appear in all of the quizzes in a format that you prefer. There are 4 within Windpack. The one I like the best is vowels plus consonants. So the vowels alphabetized are then followed by the consonants alphabetized. The reverse of that is having the consonants first alphabetized, followed by the vowels alphabetized. Or you can alphabetize the whole word. Or if you've got a kind of a disordered mind, you can choose random. And these letters look really strange if you do that. Then choose whether or not you want to include S plurals in your quizzes. In the 3 to 6 letter quiz, I like to exclude them in all, but for some people they like particularly to include 7-letter words that have S's, to pluralize them in their 8-letter quizzes. My preference is to leave them out. And you can do the same for 9-letter quizzes if you're so inclined to do 9-letter quizzes. If you're doing them to learn 9-letter words, then probably, almost definitely, you're going to exclude 8-letter words that you know already that take S's. Then set up your card so that it has the colors you want. The default is what you see on the screen right now. We can change the color of the whole card by clicking anywhere within it and then going to this paint box, basically, and choosing a different color. Woo. All right, let's try this one for the moment. You can then do the same thing with the anagram. So I will change this to orange. No, I like it more brighter than that. Something like that. You can change the solution. And for this, I really like a nice bright light blue. It looks a little garish now with all the colors that I have in there. And you can do the same for the buttons. You can change the color of the buttons. And that one, let's make this, I don't know, green, something like that. You can fiddle around with this and change this however you want. You can also have a shadow on or off. And if you get tired of these colors, you want to go back to something more, I don't know, sedate, you can choose default colors and that'll take you back. I'm going to leave this on because I kind of like it. The other thing you can do here is you can set a time limit for getting your answers right. And the time limit is totally yours to set. Let's say you believe that you should be able to solve anagrams within 10 seconds. Otherwise, you're not fast enough. You would tap that field, put in 10, and then you have to click Save Velocity. Save Escape Velocity. If you don't like being timed, you can just do that, but you again have to tap Escape Velocity. Escape velocity simply means that if you answer fast enough, the card that you got right will be escaping from the quiz. Otherwise, it will stay in the quiz, even if you get it right, but take longer than the time you set for it to get it. And these are features that are really not immediately important right now. But the ones that I've dealt with so far, escape velocity, the color preferences, font sizes, especially with longer words, you might find that you would want to use a smaller font to fit them all in. Or maybe if you have difficulty seeing what's going on, you're going to want to increase the size and have it look like that. These changes are implemented immediately in your quizzes, and I'll show you that right now. We'll go to Main, and we'll pick an anagram quiz. Let's say a 7-letter anagram quiz. We'll have one high point letter, and there. These colors don't look exactly right, but that's because they're faded out. After you've figured out the answer to that, and now you have the option of choosing the X or the check mark, these colors come to life. And so anyway, that's basically how you set everything up so that you're ready to go, ready to use the quizzes and have them how they look and how they're organized exactly how you want them.